Welcome back class 10th. Today we will take example number 12, exercise 12.2, right? See, I am reading from the textbook. I am showing you in textbook only. Please concentrate properly. A car has two wipers which do not overlap. Each wiper has a blade of length 25 centimeter sweeping through an angle of 115 degree. Find the total area clean at each sweep of the blades. Wipers, you are knowing, in car, in front glass or back glass, wipers are there to clean the glass, right? Two wipers. Length of the blade means this is radius of the wiper, right? This 115 degrees angle of sector. So see, I am writing now. Number of wipers. Yes, number of wipers 2, radius 25 centimeter, angle of sector equal to theta equal to 115 degree. Okay, then therefore area of sector in each sweep. Right, students? That is equal to, how many wipers are there? 2. So we will take 2 times, yes or 2 times theta upon 360 pi r square. Clear? Then write down 2 multiplied by theta is 115 upon 360 multiplied by 2 upon 7 multiplied by 25 multiplied by 25. Okay. Now, cancellation, whatever is possible, cancel. Then, see, we are cancelling this. Okay, again we are cancelling this by 5. Okay, again here cancellation by 2 is possible. Clear? Now by 18, no number is cancelable. So let us take now. 23 multiplied by 11 multiplied by 25 multiplied by 25 divided by 18 7 ja 126. So now multiply these numbers, you will get 1,58,125 upon 126. After this, no need to cancel, leave as it is only. Okay, square centimeter. So area in one sweep by both. By both wipers. Clear, students? Very nice. Now, next example. Now example 12. I am reading from textbook. I am showing you. See, please. 2 ships for underwater rocks. A lighthouse spreads a red colored light over a sector of an angle 80 degree. So angle of sector given to you. To the distance of 16.5 kilometer. Find the area of the sea over which the ships are worn. Value of pi is given to you. Look, the angle of sector is 80 degree and distance to which the red color is spread, that is 16.5 kilometer. This is radius. Okay, pi value is given. So for finding area of the water over which the ships are worn, for warning they are giving signals by lights. Okay, it means sector. Now see, angle of sector. Angle of sector equal to theta equal to 80 degree. Radius equal to 16.5 kilometer. Pi value is given to you. Okay, 3.14. Now write find area equal to area of sector equal to theta upon 360 multiplied by pi r square. See, theta is what? 80 upon 360. Pi is what? 3.14. Radius what? 16.5. 16.5. Yes or no? See, whatever cancellation possible, please cancel. You will get it. Cancel by 4. Okay, this cancel by 3. Clear? Again cancel by 3. You got it? Now multiply. You have to multiply. Yes, 5.5, 5.5. Multiplied by 30.25. Now multiply this. You will get 189.97 square centimeter. Okay? Wait, very good. See, children, please see the video properly. Understand. Important part of all these examples is multiplication, okay, and decimal points. Be careful. Right. Take example number 13. See, I am showing in the book. Please read. Understand properly. We will write given thing. A round table cover has 6 equal designs as shown in figure. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equal designs. Okay. If the radius of the cover is 28 centimeter, find the cost of making the designs at the rate of rupees 0.35 per square centimeter. Value of root 3 is given to you. So that design, what is the shape of design? Design is segment. Yes or no? So all designs are equal. So if you find area of one segment, you will get area of 6 segments. Clear? What is the angle subtended by this arc at the center for hexagon? Clear? Hexagon, yes. They are telling equal designs means sides of this polygon is equal. So how many sides it has? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is hexagon. That is equilateral hexagon. All sides are equal. Okay. Then you know angle subtended by each side of the hexagon at center of the circle is 60 degree. Right. So theta equal to 60 degree. Angle of sector equal to theta equal to 60 degree. Now you got it now. Radius equal to how much? 28. Then area of the segment. Area of segment, you have to find how many segments are there. 6 segments are there. So the area of designs, if you write designs, that will be equal to 6 multiplied by area of a segment. Simply find area of one segment, you will get area of all designs, right? That is what equal to 6 multiplied by area of segment. What formula you know? Please write down pi r square theta, okay, upon 360 minus r square sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Right? Now see, 6 multiplied by bracket. Put value of pi. Value of pi is not given. You have to just put the value of theta, that is what? 60. So 2 upon 7. Radius is how much? 28 multiplied by 28 multiplied by theta 60 divided by 360. Minus r square 28 multiplied by 28 sin theta by 2. What is theta? 60 degree. So theta by 2 means 60 upon 2 is sin 30. Sin 30 is 1 upon 2. Cos 30 is root 3 upon 2. Okay. Please see properly. How you got? 6 multiplied by bracket. Cancel by 7. 0, 0 cancel. 6, 6, 36. Whatever possible, don't delay in cancellation. Okay. Yes, now here you got 14 multiplied by 4. That is 22 multiplied by 56 upon this 3. Minus. Now again cancellation. You got 28 multiplied by 7. 196 multiplied by root 3 value given to you. Root 3 value is given 1.7. Yes, after cancellation properly, see children, look here. You are getting 22 multiplied by 56 upon 3. Okay. Minus Again by cancellation 2, you got this, that is 196 multiplied by value of root 3 given to you, 1.7. Again multiply this, you will get 1232. Then divide by 3. Multiply this, you will get 333.2. You have to multiply. Okay. Then divide again, you will get this one, 410.6 minus 333.2. Subtract, you are getting this, multiply by 6. Okay. After subtraction, multiply by 6, you are getting 464.4 square centimeter. That is what area of design. Clear, student? See, students, please note that in this chapter, important part is putting values and exact, very correct cancellation and multiplication with full concentration. Otherwise, we will waste the time and get the wrong answer. Fine. Now see, please solve all incomplete examples of 12.2. SW, after this video, all remaining examples of exercise 12.2. Clear? Okay. Any problem if you face, please talk to me and inform me. Okay?